Well guys, the 2005 Mark 1 Ford Focus is back. I'll show you what's up with it. Clunking from passenger side front, so near side front. I think spring. Might not be able to see it though without jacking the car up, but let's have a look. Oh yeah, snapped at the bottom in the cup. Right, I'll price up a spring for him. Well, the owner of the car said order one, so I've ordered a spring. It was £13. Delivered £13. Well guys, to help me with getting the spring off the strut, I've ordered this spring compressor. It's a hydraulic ram type. It was £106 delivered, but they sent me some money back because there's a tiny bit of cosmetic damage on the top. I think I'm just going to leave it, to be honest. And one of the holes on the side has not been fully drilled through. Might just want tapping through. But otherwise, it looks really good. And it's going to be handy for the Escort as well, because I've got some lowering springs to go on that as well. Well, I got it off. Relatively easy, really. Bottom bolt that captures it on the hub, that's going to need replacing. I don't want to put that one back in. Right, let's have a look. So I cleared a space in the garage in the corner for the spring compressor, so it's out of the way. There she is. There was only 2 bolts in the base. I've put 4 just to be sure. Right. I don't really know how this works, but I'm going to have a play. Well, that was easy enough. Putting it in place. I got the top nut off as well. I clamped it on the spring and on the bottom cup. So now this should just come off. Whee! And hopefully, when I press the brake, nothing flies out and hits me in the face. Ha! That did make me jump. Awesome. Well guys, new spring is on. That was actually really easy. I put the chain through the coil in case the spring fired out. But nope, it was good. Very easy. What a tool. Should have bought one years ago. Right, just need to find a new bottom bolt and get it back on the car. Well, it's all buttoned up. That wing didn't take long to rust through, did it? What, 3 months? Well, that's done the job. Just rattles everywhere else now. Yep, golden. Well guys, thanks for watching.